When it comes to kitchen appliances that combine power, versatility, and ease of use, this Braun 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender, model MQ537BK, stands out as a top contender. As the global leader in hand blenders, Braun has crafted a tool that caters to all your culinary needs, from blending and chopping to whisking and mashing. With its robust 350-watt motor, multiple attachments, and ergonomic design, this immersion blender promises to make your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive into a detailed review to explore why the Braun MQ537BK might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The Braun MQ537BK is equipped with a 350-watt motor, which strikes a perfect balance between power and portability. This motor is powerful enough to tackle a wide range of blending tasks, from making silky smooth soups to blending thick smoothies with ease. Despite its power, the blender is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to handle during extended use. The German-engineered motor is not only durable, but also designed for quiet operation, so you can blend away without disturbing the household. This balance of power and weight makes the Braun 4-in-1 Immersion Blender ideal for daily use. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast smoothie or whipping up a gourmet dinner, this blender is up to the task. One of the standout features of the Braun MQ537BK is its versatility. This blender isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a 4-in-1 kitchen tool that can handle a variety of tasks thanks to its interchangeable attachments. These include 1. Stainless steel blending shaft, perfect for blending soups, sauces, and smoothies directly in the pot or beaker. The stainless steel blades are durable and designed to handle both hot and cold ingredients with ease. 2. Whisk attachment, ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing batter. The whisk attachment is a game changer for anyone who enjoys baking or making delicate sauces. 3. 2-cup chopper, a compact food processor that's perfect for chopping vegetables, nuts, and herbs. This attachment is especially useful for meal prep, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. 4. Masher attachment, perfect for mashing potatoes, vegetables, and even baby food. The masher attachment ensures a smooth, consistent texture, making it a great tool for creating comfort food staples. This 4-in-1 functionality makes the Braun MQ537BK an incredibly versatile kitchen tool, allowing you to tackle a wide range of recipes with just one appliance. At the core of the Braun MQ537BK's performance is its PowerBell technology. This unique feature combines durable stainless steel blades with a bell-shaped blending shaft to deliver faster and finer results. The PowerBell's design reduces suction and prevents splashing, making it easier to control the blender and keep your kitchen clean. This technology is particularly effective when blending soups and sauces, where achieving a smooth, even consistency is crucial. The PowerBell ensures that all ingredients are evenly blended, so you don't end up with unwanted chunks or uneven textures. Whether you're making a creamy tomato soup or a delicate hollandaise sauce, the PowerBell technology guarantees professional quality results. Sometimes you need a little extra power to get the job done, and that's where the Turbo Boost feature comes in. With a simple press of the turbo button, you can instantly increase the blender's speed and power, making it easier to blend tough ingredients or achieve a finer texture. This feature is especially useful when dealing with stubborn ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, or fibrous vegetables. The Turbo Boost gives you the extra oomph you need to blend these ingredients quickly and efficiently without straining the motor or compromising on the quality of the results. One of the key aspects that sets the Braun MQ537BK apart from other immersion blenders is its ergonomic design. The blender fits comfortably in your hand thanks to its slip-proof grip and well-balanced weight distribution. This design makes it easy to use the blender for extended periods without experiencing hand fatigue. The EasyClick system further enhances the blender's usability by allowing you to quickly and easily swap attachments with just one touch. This feature is particularly helpful when you're in the middle of preparing a meal and need to switch from blending to chopping or whisking. The attachments click securely into place, ensuring a stable and safe operation every time. Cleaning up after cooking can be a chore, but Braun has made sure that the MQ537BK is as easy to clean as it is to use. The blending shaft, whisk, chopper, and masher attachments are all dishwasher safe, so you can simply toss them in the dishwasher after use. The motor unit, which should never be submerged in water, can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. This easy maintenance process means you can spend more time enjoying your culinary creations and less time worrying about the cleanup. The high-quality materials used in the attachments ensure that they remain durable and resistant to wear and tear, even after repeated washing. The Braun 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tasks and achieve professional quality results at home. Its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, whether you're a beginner cook or an experienced chef. This blender is particularly well suited for those who appreciate the convenience of a multifunctional tool. With its ability to blend, chop, whisk, and mash, the Braun MQ537BK eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving you both space and time. Its easy-to-clean design and ergonomic features further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and reliable choice for everyday use. In summary, the Braun MQ537BK 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use kitchen tool that delivers exceptional results. Its innovative features, such as PowerBell Technology and Turbo Boost, make it stand out from other blenders on the market, while its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and enjoyable user experience. Whether you're blending smoothies, chopping vegetables, whisking cream, or mashing potatoes, the Braun MQ537BK has you covered. Its high-quality construction and reliable performance make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves to cook. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.